And here we encounter a fledgling member of the species, embarking on the perilous journey of two-wheeled mastery. Observe the tentative lift, the wobble in the ascent, a telltale sign of a novice in the midst of an urban rite of passage.
Damn, they look so good together. It's been a little while since we had some bike content on the channel, and as you've seen in some videos and pictures, my RSF chassis has broke. So we have switched everything to my SX500. We are running some custom forks up front with curb hopper clamps. Got the Burromax wheels on here with the Electrocycle axles. This thing is looking really sick. We got the white plastics, trimmed them up of course. I get that nice sporty look with my custom seat that I made. A video coming pretty soon. We got a 250mm shock, an Amorge 7228 battery, rocking a Fardriver 72450. This battery does put out 150 amps, and we're only running 65 because honestly, it's just too much with this setup with the EC4P. Speaking of that, we're running a number 35 chain with a Pitbike chain tensioner, running 11 sprockets, 65 rear. This thing will do over 65 miles per hour if need be. I really enjoy this bike. It's a lot lighter than the RSF, a lot easier to handle, and to stop this thing, we are rocking the Pitbike Amazon brakes. Those things stop this thing on a dime. Do need to trim down my bars a little bit in my brake, but we do have a 3-speed switch for anyone who wants to ride on this thing. And damn, it just looks so good with the van. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to hit you back up. And with that, I'll catch you all in the next one.